Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to clean the paper rollers of a Canon Pixma TS705a. Now this is nice and simple, can be done for the printer itself, using nothing but the display and a couple of the buttons shown here. So if your printer is struggling to feed paper, or is even giving a no paper message when you go to print, it's likely that there's a little bit of debris built upon the printer's rollers that's causing this. Now when you first do this clean, it's important that there's no paper in the paper tray, so make sure you've taken it all out before we start, but have 3 pieces to hand for the later steps. Now to start the cleaning, we need to go into the setup menu, which we do by pressing this button here, marked with the pliers and a screwdriver. Then we use the right arrow to get along to maintenance, and then press OK. We navigate through until we get to roller cleaning. Press OK. Now at this point we need to decide whether we're going to be cleaning the rollers for the cassette or the rear paper tray. Now which one you choose depends upon which one you use the most. For argument's sake, let's say I use the rear tray a lot, so we'll extend that and then select OK. If you wanted to choose the cassette, just press right and it's right there for you to press OK on. So just press OK on rear tray. Now so take your printer just a second, you hear lots of whirring and bits. And once it's finished cleaning the rear tray, pop your paper into the back, close it up, press OK to select the paper you just installed, and then we can do it again. This time your printer will detect the paper and start feeding those through to assist with the cleaning. Now it's important you have the 3 sheets we spoke of earlier in there, as your machine will actively be looking for that number of sheets. And it's as simple as that. You can repeat both or either of these steps to hopefully pull through any debris on the rollers, but if issues persist, it's probably worthwhile getting in touch with Canon or a printer technician. And I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this machine, which isn't covered in our separate videos, please do let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.